And here we have the Great Snow Blizzard in the Nashville Metro, Murfreesboro, Rutherford County, Davidson County, Williamson County, and all other Middle Tennessee counties. The Great 2011 Blizzard. You can see, you can't see my front porch where the cement is, and looks like the drainage ditch out front of the yard there is full. You can't see the road at all, and cars are covered with snow. It's pretty amazing for a Florida boy, I can tell you that much. Yeah, so it's kind of fun, kind of exciting, but also kind of a bummer because I wanted to get out and actually be productive today, but it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to. So, yeah, pretty cool. You could see some trails in my yard where, I don't know if you can pick this up on the camera here, but you can see where rabbits have been kind of going through the yard, probably looking for shelter from all this snow. So, yeah, pretty cool. Just a video update here from the great state of Tennessee, where every day is a holiday and every night is Saturday night.